I've been away for some years, and I think last when I was here during a few years, it gave me a lot of good contacts. It actually gave me some of the first ones I met I still have contact with, and we are not regularly, but we know where to find each other and support each other. And I hope that I can find some new, and it's a whole new generation as well, and so I think it benefits in many ways. I think working in a very big company like Carlsberg, we are also tending to not always look into smaller suppliers and contacts, and I think that gives here a benefit to have a broader view also, and the structure we are having in most companies, it's a procurement strategy who follows a lot, so we also need to press from the other side and to find new and alternative ways to go.